Hey everyone, and welcome to day 41 of our command challenge. So we are going to spend another day in Sketchhouse, and we're going to look at the print marketing templates this time. So we spent a lot of time on the social media side of it, but I want to show you guys the different print marketing templates that are in here. So let's go to Sketchhouse. By now you're probably familiar with how to get there. And when we do the plus sign, we're going to choose print this time and create template. Again, you've got your option to connect with a listing from the KWLS. So you can search for your listing here. I'm not going to attach one this time. I'm just going to click the X so I can get over into the templates. So on the left sidebar, you'll see your options. So some are very similar. If we were to click on for sale, for example, you can choose from door hangers, postcards, trifold brochures, and US letter size, so more like a flyer. And you're going to have those same options in pretty much all of these here. So you've got open houses, just listed, just sold, price update. So kind of click around and see what type of templates that you have in here. We've got some for home value, so let's see what type of flyers they are for that. So curious about selling. So there's all kinds of different templates, and they are continuing to add to this, so your library will only grow. Let's choose, I'm going to go with for sale on this, and I'm just going to choose a flyer. So I'm going to choose this one. Again, choose whichever one you want. I just want you guys to get familiar with what the system looks like in here. And I would love for you guys to create designs that you're actually going to be able to use. So creating print materials is very similar to creating social media ones. All your features are the same in here and how you use the system. You just might have more information on here than the other ones. So here I'm seeing where it could be really beneficial if you have it connected with your listing in the KWLS, because maybe you're popping in your description of the property on here for this flyer, or any of these property details. So instead of just having to type it multiple times, you've already got it. Populating the address in easily, anything like that. So you've got placeholders down here for your branding, for your name. One thing I haven't really mentioned to you guys is that you can customize this way more than just what you see here. So if designing stuff is something you really enjoy and have an eye for, I mean, you can really delete everything on here and just start from scratch. So just know that that's an option. We talk a lot about the templates, and that's really where the value is having something that you can create quickly and efficiently in here. But just know you're not limited to the templates that are here. You have all of these options at the top where you can create different shapes and frames and text boxes and everything like that, and really design this to be kind of your own. Any text box you've selected, you have your font choices up here, your size, color, all of those things. Do bullet points, text alignment, spacing. Your options over here will send things to the back. So an example of what that might look like is if I wanted to create a little background. So let's say I was doing this little square. Let's make it a little more opaque in the background. And if I want to drag it here, then I might want to send it to the back behind that text. So if I click arrange, I can come here, and the best part of this is you can hover over most of the things in here and it'll tell you what they are. So I'm going to send that to the bottom. So can you see how it went actually behind that? So if I was working on just designing some things in here, that's a feature that I could use. So there is really a lot in here, and I'm continuing to learn, new things about what features are in here every day. So play around with making a print flyer and see what it looks like about it. Anything you want to remove off of it, if you just click on it, you can either just hit the delete button on your keyboard, or there is a trash can up here. So that's there for you to use to remove it. And again, don't forget about all your options over here. So where your logos are, icons, auto-filling text, using these banners to kind of make your text pop a little bit. So once you've got it created, just like all the other ones, remember that it should be auto-saving. You can change the name up here. I have been seeing some errors where it's not really saving it as what I've named it, but I'm just going to keep doing that until it works. But do your save over here, download from here to download it to your computer. And then when you are done, hit done, and it's going to take you back into Command. So that is all for our day 41 challenge. Thanks for watching.